But for a man that is famous online, Derrick despised being recorded in public. One Sunday, he was walking through Crossroads with his phone in hand ready for a video war, when someone from a Kerala leaned out with a phone.
Dirty Derrick! Dirty Derrick! Dirty Derrick! You can't video me so cool! You can't video me!
Before you know it, Uncle Derrick started to video as well, saying, That clip, 200K views in 2 hours. The street loved him, but behind the scenes, Derrick had a darker story. He had an ex named Andrew, the name he refused to say. People knew not to bring it up. But of course, the internet doesn't take anything serious, so they did it every chance they got. One night during a TikTok live, someone asked him,
Our timers want to know about Andrew. Where is Andrew and who is Andrew?
Derrick stopped mid-laugh, eyes locked to the screen like he saw a ghost.
Look here. You don't talk about the person name. Me not gonna answer no question about the person. Me not gonna answer the question because me not come here to answer them question there. So pass that, please. Me I beg you, pass that right now. I'm not gonna answer the question. I'm telling you though.
Full video on my YouTube channel. Link in bio.